don't think that you should be standing on the bumper, Lily. No, because you know what's going to happen. Yeah. I know it. What? See, look at your foot. Your foot is coming through. You're going to hurt yourself. And you're eating your thingy. What? Can you see it? Did we have a good nap? Are you still tired? Got your lammy? Yeah. Lamb. You got the lammy. Are you ready to get up or you just want to lay in your crib? You don't want to get up? No? Okay. We don't have to get up. You can lay here. But you were crying. Yeah. You like to mess with Mom? No? No, okay. I'm gonna go out now.